Snapchat's parent company, Snap, unveiled a brand new product yesterday. It wasn't an upgraded Spectacle 4, but rather a low-cost smart drone that weighs nothing in comparison to other well-known drones. Welcome to Tech Heaven, and in this video we'll see everything you need to know about Snapchat's first drone and its future. Snap's first drone is called PIXY, and the company claims that it can get you 5 to 8 flights if each flight lasts between 10 and 20 seconds. Few people expected Snap to give hardware another shot, but they did, and the PIXY drone packs a lot of cool new features in a small and affordable package. It has everything you'd need when traveling or spending time with friends and family, and it appears to be the ideal tool for capturing moments from an entirely new perspective. PIXY drone specifications. Before we get into the features and other specifics, let's go over the specifications so we know what we're looking at. The PIXY drone weighs only 101 grams and appears to be slightly larger than your palm. PIXY has swappable batteries that allow you to quickly switch from a depleted to a fully charged battery. Each flight is designed to last between 10 and 20 seconds, and the battery can power 5 to 8 flights on a single charge. The top of the drone has a dial that allows you to choose from 6 pre-programmed flight patterns. The drone is not manual controllable and does not come with a controller. It can easily take off and land on your palm. The drone costs $229.99 and includes a bumper, a carrying strap, a rechargeable battery, and a USB-C cable. The model, which costs $249.99, includes the same setup as the model for $199.99, but with a dual battery charger and 2 batteries instead of 1. Extra batteries are only $19.99 and the dual battery charger is $49.99. The PIXY drone is already on the market in the United States and France. While it's not exactly a feature or specification, it's interesting to see how Snap packaged its new drone. The PIXY box, with its transparent and plastic packaging that allows you to see through and view the drone before opening it, oddly evokes iPhone 5C vibes. It's also a bright color, which makes it stand out even more. Why did Snap develop a drone? According to reports, a source asked the same question, to which Evan Spiegel, Snap's CEO, replied, "Because we're a camera company." Snapchat began as an ephemeral messaging app known for disappearing and deleting text messages and pictures. The platform reached its peak around 2016, but it hasn't been the same since. Snapchat has received a lot of flack over the years for its poor app design interface, and the camera quality on Android is still far from acceptable. The app received numerous updates, and Snapchat realized that it should have focused more on Android users, but it was never able to reclaim the affection of its users who had already moved on to other messaging services. Still, Snapchat has a large user base today, and it is attempting to innovate and integrate AR into everyday products, which the PIXY drone is based on. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the topic, let's talk about affordable drone with cool AR features. The PIXY drone allows you to capture moments from an unusual angle. It's more convenient than carrying a selfie stick, and it's completely hands-free. The Snapchat app allows you to view, edit, and export footage captured by the drone. However, you'll probably manage your videos in the app because it allows you to use AR features and filters that you can share directly to your friends on Snapchat and other social media services. The PIXY has a single 12-megapixel camera and is essentially a flying smartphone, though the camera is less than impressive. Footage captured by a source demonstrates what the camera can do in both bright and dim lighting conditions. It also demonstrates the flaws of the device's lack of object detection sensors. When used outside on a sunny day, the camera appears to have plenty of detail and contrast, but it can be grainy and noisy in low-light situations. When the drone rotates, the video isn't very smooth, but future updates could smoothen and stabilize the recordings even more. Given that most people consume content on their smartphones and that the drone is aimed at Snapchat users, it's clear that the recorded content is intended to be viewed on smartphones. On such small displays, quality is less likely to be an issue, but some artifacts are visible on a monitor or a laptop. It's something to keep in mind, and don't expect DJI level performance for this price. Snapchat is well known for its cool and unique AR features, and even the PIXY website highlights some of the effects that you can use to truly personalize it. While I am not a fan of these, I can see the appeal for the younger generation, and there may be times when it could be useful to make a point or just play around with the animations. Will Snap's first PIXY drone take off? Given Snapchat's reputation, it's unlikely that it will become a mainstream product, but it's exciting to see the progress in this field. The Mini SE drone from DJI weighs less than 249 grams and can fly for up to 30 minutes on a single charge. It costs $299, and you can expand the storage with a microSD card and buy additional battery packs for more than twice the price of PIXY's swappable batteries, which cost $55. Even though it is more expensive, DJI is still more adaptable. It provides better controls, higher overall quality, and a lot more for your money. You are correct, however, in pointing out that PIXY is most likely not aimed at the same consumers. It's designed for those who want something that allows them to record with the press of a button, take off, capture footage, and land on their palm. It's faster, simpler, and more portable than any other device in its class. Snap introduced a more consumer-friendly drone to the market, and I'm ecstatic to see it. It provides many more opportunities and perspectives for sharing moments, and the small form factor, simple dial on top, and integration provide a one-of-a-kind experience. I hope that other companies take note of PIXY's ideas and build on them, because the more competition there is, the more and better products consumers will be able to choose from in the future. Snap is acquiring companies for hardware and engineers. This isn't the first time it's been suggested that Snap is developing a drone. Rumors circulated in March that the company was working on a camera drone at its secretive California research labs. Snapchat recently hired 50 hardware engineers and designers as part of its ongoing investment in technology research. Its top-secret labs have worked on wearable cameras, facial recognition software, and 3D scanners. According to a new report, Snap spent less than $1 million to acquire a small drone startup in Venice. It's not the first time the company has considered acquiring a drone startup, but the acquisition of Control Me Robotics indicates that the company is expanding its hardware push. According to the report, the drone company was already winding down when the founder approached Snap about a possible acquisition. The company's website is no longer operational, and its social media pages ceased posting in October, most likely around the time of the acquisition. While I do not believe PIXY will become a mainstream product that sells like hotcakes, I do believe there will be enough demand for it to change the drone industry. Companies, I believe, will try to replicate the development of an affordable drone with simple pre-programmed features that allow you to take hands-free videos and photos on the go. This appears to be an appealing product for those looking to improve their Instagram and Snapchat game. For technology enthusiasts like myself, DJI drones are likely to be more appealing for the time being, at least until the quality improves and the drone can pack a few extra sensors and improve object detection and tracking. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What's your take on PIXY? Would you consider buying one? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.